Owning a vehicle is a necessity rather than a luxury for most of us. And buying or leasing a car from a dealership is a stressful experience, with seemingly endless streams of negotiations and confusing terminology. All of that pressure can leave you wondering, did I get the best deal?
Consumers often leave dealerships with loans that don't put them in the best position. And that is due to the simple fact of when they enter the dealership, this bright, shiny new vehicle that makes them really want to get in that car and go. Consumers don't really know that upon signing up for a contract on their bright, new, shiny vehicle, that the dealership participates in those interest rates that are originally deemed on their contract. So those dealerships are compensated heavily on the rates that the consumer signs up for. Most consumers don't realize that they can qualify for a better interest rate and a better payment upon leaving the dealership, and that is through an auto refinance.
Today, Designing Spaces visits an innovative company that's helping people lower their car payments and save money by refinancing their automobiles.
RefiJet is an auto refinance company with our headquarters here in Denver, Colorado, but we do offer refinance solutions to consumers nationwide. We work with a very diverse group of lenders to put our consumers in the best position that they qualify for on their car loan.
We offer many different solutions as far as refinance goes. Whether it's to help save on the monthly payment for that consumer, whether it's to accomplish a lease buyout, whether it's to do a cash out or even a refinance on a motorcycle. We can even help protect consumers' finances by protecting their financial portfolio with protections like extended service contract and gap protection.
Technology, entrepreneurship, and auto finance experience have made RefiJet a leader in the auto refinance industry.
Since our company's inception almost 6 years ago, culture has been a huge part of our organization. Through culture, we have seen rapid growth. And it's not just through the people, it's through the experience that we also give our consumers on a day-to-day basis. Through our advancement in technology, this has allowed us to create a concierge approach with every consumer in which we service.
So we actually have very personalized support here at RefiJet. We have individual departments, and each department is an expert at what they do. The consumer will always have a direct line to that department or to whatever rep they are working with at that time.
One of the perks of refinancing with RefiJet is that we have the capability of offsetting the first payment up to 90 days, which is super beneficial to people that are trying to save money monthly, especially. It puts 3 months of payments in their pocket.
Sometimes we save consumers on average between $150 to $400 a month, which is life-changing.
RefiJet and its personalized, simple process walk people every step of the way.
When the client calls in, we let them know that we are here to get them to their goal. So whether their goal is to lower their payments or lower their rate or remove or add a cosigner, it is my job to get them there. So we make it a very, very seamless process. It's very much of a teamwork thing for us to work kind of together, for us to put them in the best position that they qualify for, rather than going to separate banks and doing that process over and over and over. We're the team that gets them from the very beginning to the very end.
Now that you understand that auto refinancing is an option for you, this is how RefiJet makes it fast and easy. You'll have the opportunity to speak to your auto loan expert that takes the hassle and the burden out of filling out forms. We take care of that for you. Secondly, we provide pre-qualified options that don't affect your credit score, which is huge.
RefiJet refinancing process is not only simple and quick, but also helps you add beneficial products.
Our main goal is to put our clients in the best position of ownership that they qualify for, which is a fixed cost of ownership. And we have 2 products that assist us in doing just that. The first one is gap protection, which covers the difference between what insurance pays and what the loan payoff is in the event of a total loss, so that they do not have to forfeit any coverage. Our second product is an extended service contract that then protects them against mechanical and electrical failures.
But RefiJet's impact also stretches into the wider community too.
One of the reasons I love working at RefiJet the most is our initiative to give back. Our core values are the main reason why we were voted one of the best places to work 2 years in a row.
To find out how much you can save refinancing your auto loan, visit RefiJet.com. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv.